Thank you for your purchase of First Aid for You training credits. Once your purchase is complete, the primary contact will receive an email with all the details needed for participants to register. The main thing to give to your participants is the level of training that they will be booking for and the credit code. In this example, we will be looking to register for a CPR course in Brampton. On firstaidforyou.ca, you will need to use the drop-down to select the course type you need. For this example, it is CPR Level C/AED. Since we are booking in Brampton, we will choose the Greater Toronto option. Once we're on this page, you'll need to input your credit code into the promotion/voucher code section at the top of the page. Then we will select the city we need. March 25th works great for my schedule, so I'll select this one. Only one participant may book at one time with these credits, so you'll need to select one adult. This section will verify which course you need. We will again select CPR Level C/AED as it matches the type we purchased. Then input your personal information and we are done. You'll know it is properly completed when the booking amount will be $0 and no payment will be required. If this shows any other number, it must be because you chose another item in your cart or the course type is wrong. And it's as easy as that.